Hi guys, and welcome back. So it is December the 20th today, and I still haven't had a chance to plant out these shallots, and they're starting to look a bit worse for wear in these trays now. I desperately need to go out. So we've had a good few days of nice warmish weather. It's currently 10.5 degrees. The ground outside isn't frozen, so this is probably the last chance to get these planted out. So we'll get set up outside and show you where I'm going to get them planted and get to planting them. Right guys, so I'm just going to start by giving the bed a quick going over with the rake. Just pull out any stones that are on the surface. And just remove any surface weeds. So these are JAMOR Shallots, and these were saved from my harvest this year, and I picked out a few of the bulbs and planted them in these cell trays, and as you can see, nice root development, and they're starting to go already, so they need to get planted out. So I'm not going to bury them any deeper than there, but I'm going to give them about 8 inches apart, just to give them room to grow and split. And hopefully we'll get as good a crop this year as we did last year. Over 3.5 kilos, and we've still got some left now, still using them. And I will mulch this ground in the spring with some fresh compost, and probably give it a spraying of the super soil. And if you haven't already guys, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost anything, just helps promote my channel. So close to 650 now, would be nice to get there before Christmas. Right, so I'll get the rest of these done, get this bed filled up, and get back to you. Right guys, so this is the last one to go in here, in this bed, and I've still got pretty much 2 full trays left to go. So what I was thinking is, I've got a bit of room left in the small polytunnel behind us there, so I might put them in there. So we'll go in there. Right, so still got the rest of this bed here to fill out. Planted some of the garlic in there the other week. That's the Solent White. So I'll just put them around the back and down the side there. But I think if we can get a couple of runs of these shallots in here and maybe get rid of what's left here. Start from this end, work our way up. This whole bed has already had a load of fresh compost put over it when I did the garlic, so as you can see it's all nice fresh soft soil. Right guys, sorry about that, just had the delivery. As the dogs kindly let me know. So I could just about could have enough to fill this bed. Which I'm not planning on growing tomatoes in here this year. I'm going to stick to the big polytunnel for that. It seems to do a lot better in there. Right then guys, so that's them planted. So that's going to be about it for this one today. It's just a short video. And glad I managed to get these out. Hopefully they should be okay. Get a good crop off them in the spring. I have started some shallots from seed. They'll be in another video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to keep an eye out for that. And please remember to drop a comment below and leave a like. Really helps out the channel. Right then guys, so one last thing I'm going to do to these is just give them good watering with a light feed. And this is just what I had left over from the big bit outside with the JAMOR fertiliser in it. And if you'd like to see how I made that, I'll pop a link to that in the end screens. But that's all I'm doing to them. Right then guys, so that is it for this one now. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a like and drop me a comment below. Do my best to get back to everyone. And hopefully see you Christmas Day with a nice big harvest. Bye for now.